Use aspirin to heal a pimple. Just about anyone who has gone through puberty has most likely experienced the painful, and at times embarrassing, moments of having to go through whole days with a face full of pimples. Aside from the psychological effect it has on many young people, especially those who are already being pressured for not fitting in, it can also be a problem that can turn into a very big, expensive predicament at the very real chance that the constant touching and scratching of pimples will cause scars. This kind of scarring will not go away unless it is treated, and in most cases, this kind of treatment is very expensive, so it is best if the acne is dealt with as effectively as possible. There are many home remedies out there, and many more that have been proven to be medically sound, but there is one kind that is a mixture of both. This method is the use of aspirin to heal a pimple. Though it sounds quite silly, the procedure is not exactly what you might expect. So if you are interested in trying out this unorthodox, yet highly effective, method, this article provides an easy-to-follow process below which you can read and keep in mind the next time you are suffering from acne. You can even follow it right now if you have what is needed. The recipe is quite simple. All you will need to do is crush about 10 aspirin tablets. Make sure that they are not coated, in a small bowl, and then mix a little water into it, just enough that your concoction turns into a cream similar to the kinds you might have purchased in stores to battle acne at one point. Once your cream is ready, simply apply it on your face and let it set for about 5 to 15 minutes. If you do this right after washing your face with warm water, you will have better results. Once the 15 minutes are up, rinse the cream off with some cold water. Some things you need to keep in mind. The reason why you should only let the mask settle for such a short time is because this recipe can be quite a discomfort when used on sensitive skin. So the second you feel a burning type of sensation, immediately wash off the crushed aspirin paste from your face. Also, it is important to only do this once a week for the same reason mentioned above. Even skin that is not totally affected by this face mask will still suffer if you use it more than once a week. What to do if you have just 1 or 2 pimples you want to treat? If that is the case, then simply grind about 2 aspirins, with just enough water that it becomes creamy again. Rub it onto the affected area, wait for around 15 to 30 minutes, and then rinse off like normal. On a closing note, the use of a moisturizer after the aspirin face mask will also help very much, because this recipe is known to cause very dry skin. Make sure you are aware of how dry your skin can get before trying this out.